Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 2LT in torch red on natural interior. So I'll start over at the rear of the vehicle. I've got the trunk lid raised here so you can see the trunk area on the convertible. So we've got a cargo net here in the front to keep your items in place. Nice size storage room so you could fit, two medium-sized duffel bags. Nice for going on trips. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid. It does have soft close, so I'll just simply press and it'll pull itself closed. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge, carbon flash vent, and we've got the nice high wing carbon flash spoiler as well on this one. So we've got the nice LED taillights. We've got parking sensors in the rear bumper there, so it'll let you know when you're getting close to an item behind you. We've got the performance exhaust, so there's dual port here and dual port on this side. So you can change the tone electronically to make it louder or quieter based on your setting. It's got a reverse camera just above the license plate, and when the top is in the upright position, there's actually a reverse or a rear view mirror camera that displays, which is built into the top. So we'll just shift around this side here, let you have a look at the rear wheel. So it's got the nice high gloss black wheels. We've got black painted calipers and nice Michelin tires on there. Over at the passenger side, we've got the nice baseball stitching done in natural. We've got the Bose Performance Series stereo. We've got 2 user memory for the passenger seat. We've got our power windows, power locks, and electronic door release, and a nice pocket there for storage. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. So as you can see, it's in really good shape. And here's our power seat controls. You got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Nice looking seat. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll have a look here in the glove box. Looks like it's locked, so I'll just turn on the car for a moment. There we go. So we've got our wheel lock key and we have the books, so those are all there for you. You've got vents here beside the glove box button. Nice natural stitch on the black. Great accent, looks awesome. And we'll just top out and close this side up. On the mirrors, you've got the carbon flash mirror holder. We've got blind spot monitor there in the mirror, so it'll light up when there's someone in your blind spot. So I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll move along this side so you can see the condition. And here we are at the front wheel. So we've got, again, the nice high gloss black wheels, black calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires. Normally we talk about the motor under the hood, but the motor is actually here in the back portion below the top. It is the new mid-engine. It is a V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 490 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So we'll continue on to the front of the vehicle. We've got a nice exposed carbon fiber front lip spoiler here. So it looks fantastic. It's in great shape, as you can see. And nice carbon flash accents on the front. We've got the curved view cameras. So there's one curved view camera here and one over here. We've got the nice black housing LED headlights with LED daytime running lights as well. In the front here, we've got the front. So there is the carbon flash front license plate cover. So if you don't want the front license plate bracket, it does come off and that can go back on. Although that's not recommended, but you can do that. So there is the front storage netting here as well. And then we've got a 12-volt socket. You got your washer fluid top up there. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the lid. And I'll just have a quick look here at the front end, see if there's anything to point out on this one. And it looks really clean. That's just a fluff, that's nothing. So I don't see any stone chips, so that's great. So we'll continue on. There's your other front wheel. So again, high gloss black wheels, black painted calipers, painted rotors, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Fantastic. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So again, we've got that nice Bose Performance Series stereo. We've got our power mirror control, power folding mirrors, power windows, convertible top control, rear window control. We've got our power locks, electronic door release. We've got the front and rear trunk releases down there. You've got the pocket for storage, nice natural stitch. and memory seats, mirrors, and steering wheel for the driver for 2 users. And I'm just going to show you the kick plate here. It's in great shape, as you can see. A couple little minor marks on it, but that's you know, that's normal on the scuff plate. And we've got our power seat control, so power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And I'm just going to go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 5,242. Right now it's in normal mode, so the dash is blue. If I hit the Z button here on the dash, it changes to red. The exhaust port's open. Turn that off for right now so it's easier to talk. We've got our cruise control buttons down here. We've got our favorites or track change on this side. Over here we've got our volume controls. We've got our arrow keys, which work the dash. So right now it's on simplify there. If I go over, we've got options, maintenance, audio, performance, and trip computer, so you can control that with these here. You've got telephone hang up, telephone answer or voice command, and then heated steering wheel above that as well. Paddle shifters plus and minus, nice natural stitch on the steering wheel with the natural center point. And then over on this side here, you've got heads-up display controls. We've got power tilt and telescopic steering column. Down below, you've got dash dimmer and emergency parking brake. And then over on this side, you got your push button start. Here's your radio, so there's a home button that takes us back to the first screen. You got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, and auxiliary in. You got telephone controls. We've got navigation, so full factory nav. You can set up different users. You've got Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot, settings, and Android Auto. You got your cameras here, so there's your front curb view cameras, there's your reverse camera. You can also do a single display here on the front camera as well. And if we go back, we've got PDR. So there's a camera in front of the rear view mirror that can record your driving and track times to an SD card. And we'll just go back here. So that's it for the radio. Down below you got quick button to the cameras, traction control on and off. You've got your gear selectors here, so you just simply pull or push whichever one you want to use. There is a separate manual mode. However, you can just start shifting when it's in drive, and it will let you take over, and then when you stop shifting, it will go back to drive. So you got temperature control, heated and cooled seat for the driver, sync and auto, and some other settings. And then down below we've got rear defrost and heated and cooled seat for the passenger with their separate temperature zone. We've got cup holders in here. We've got 2 keys, lock, unlock, trunk, front and rear, auto start, and you can remotely put the top down by pressing and holding this button. Super cool. There's your auto dimming rear view mirror. There is controls down below for the camera, which, as I mentioned, will work in the up position. And we've got OnStar here. In the center console, you've got USB port, USB-C, auxiliary in, and the SD card. We've got a wireless charger right here for your phone, and a speaker here in the grill. So very nice. So since it's a convertible, we'll go ahead, we'll put the top back up so you can see the operation. There we are. So now we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. Great sound to it. Love the exhaust on these new Corvettes. Phenomenal sound. And I will just show you here from the front. So it's got the daytime running lights on. The headlight portion is off right now. And we'll just move along this side of the vehicle. And I'll show you the roof. It's in great shape. And there's the rear view mirror camera that I was speaking of. What a sharp looking car. Great sound. And there you have it, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Chevrolet Corvette C8 2LT Convertible here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.